I'm gonna teach you quickly how to make a pop-up effect in After Effects. You can download this project file in the description down below. Making a new tutorial for each day of the year. Day 42 of 365. First, let's grab the image and drag it to the composition. Let me resize this. So to make the pop-up effect, we have to press S to open the scale property. Now make a keyframe, click the stopwatch, make sure this is at the beginning. Now go forward and make another keyframe by selecting here. Go to the first keyframe and change the value to 0. So now it will scale up. And here between these two keyframes, let's increase the scale to be higher than the end scale. The scale at the end is 70, so here it could be 80, 90, something like that. So now we have this. Grab all the keyframes and ease them with F9. And now we have this pop-up effect. If you want to make this faster, grab all the keyframes and by holding Alt and selecting this keyframe, you can adjust the speed. We're going to make this faster, and now you will see. We can also add a overshoot that it will make this to keep bouncing like this. So go to the link I'll leave you in the description. You will see this page and you have to select all this text. Copy with Ctrl+C. Go back to After Effects, and here to the scale property you have to go to the stopwatch and Alt click the stopwatch. Paste the expression here with Ctrl+V. And now to make this work, we have to make these keyframes to be linear again. Select them all and press Ctrl and click. Now we can delete this keyframe at the end, and now we have this effect. We can make this effect stronger by bringing the keyframes close together. And there you go. And enable the motion blur to make this look smoother. That's all for today's tutorial. You can download this project file in the description down below. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. See ya.